Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy fall. In today's video, I have 4 budget-friendly DIYs fall projects for us to do. They're super simple and easy, and most of the stuff came from the Dollar Tree. First up are these adorable toilet paper pumpkins. They are so quick to assemble and no sewing is involved. You're going to need any size toilet paper roll, some fabric. I got this from Walmart. It already came cut up and it was only about $2. You can also use an old shirt or an old sheet to make it fit. And for the stem, we're going to use cinnamon sticks. If you don't have cinnamon sticks, you can use a toilet paper roll or even a piece of brown paper bag. You're going to place your toilet paper roll in the middle of the fabric and you're going to begin to start tucking the fabric in. It will start to form its own shape and look like a pumpkin. Once the body of the pumpkin is done, I'm going to place 2 cinnamon sticks right in the center of the pumpkin, and that's it. There you have it. And a toilet paper roll works just as well. These pumpkins are so cute, and you can reuse these any time of the year, and you can reuse the toilet paper when you're done. The next DIY is this adorable cinnamon stick candle. The supplies you will need is a candle. I'm using an LED one. You can find these at the dollar store. Cinnamon sticks, an elastic band, scissors, and ribbon. I started by placing the elastic band around the middle of the candle, and I made sure the elastic band laid out flat with no twist. I then filled the cinnamon sticks around the candle behind the elastic band until there were no more gaps. Once the candle is completely covered with the cinnamon sticks, you're going to grab your ribbon and you're going to measure it around just enough to make a bow. I only wrapped the ribbon up once around the candle, but you can definitely wrap it around more than once to make sure that it's secure. Feel free to add any embellishment to your candle. This DIY leaves your house smelling beautiful and it's so easy to make. The next DIY is this burlap fall wreath. The things that you'll need are a metal wreath form from the dollar store, 2 burlap ribbons from the dollar store, some Dollar Tree fall flowers, glue gun, scissors, and some floral cutters. So I started by wrapping the metal wreath form with the burlap ribbon. I just kept wrapping and wrapping until it was all around. Once you're finished with the first burlap ribbon, you're going to start with the new burlap ribbon and you're going to continue wrapping. Once the wreath was completely covered, I glued the end of the ribbon down. Next, you're going to get your fall flowers and you're going to pull each flower off the stem. I cut the ends off the end of the flower so that it would be flat and easy to glue. I also kept the leaves with the flowers and I glued each flower individually to the wreath. And that's it. You guys can definitely add more to it if you want. I just wanted to keep it simple and easy. Now to make this cute pumpkin sign. The things that you'll need is this jack-o'-lantern pumpkin sign from the Dollar Tree, some orange ribbon, which I got from Walmart, but you can definitely get it from the Dollar Tree as well, a paintbrush, white chalk paint from the Walmart, and a permanent marker, which I got from the Dollar Tree as well. You're going to start off by flipping the pumpkin over, put some chalk paint on the pumpkin sign, and start painting away. I use a dry brush for this. I painted the pumpkin until it was completely white. After the pumpkin was completely dry, I started going over some details with the pumpkin with a pencil before I used a permanent marker. I decided to write "Give Thanks" since Thanksgiving is right around the corner. After I wrote everything in pencil, I went over it with a permanent marker. I then went back to erase all the pencil marks. I went back to thicken the letters to make it look even better. I also added some minor details on the end to make the sign stand out. And last, I grabbed the orange ribbon and cut it long enough so I can make a cute bow on it. I really like how this pumpkin turned out, and if I need to switch it over for Halloween, I can. I hope I inspired you guys to try to make some of these DIYs. I had so much fun making them. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you guys want to see more DIYs on my channel. Thanks again for watching. God bless. Bye, you guys.